Hi everyone, Rao sir here. In this video, I am going to teach you wonderful basic topic, that is how to find oxidation state. Generally, it is very much important basic concept, how to find oxidation state. So, asal what is oxidation state? The charge of an atom is called oxidation state. So, what oxidation state explains? Oxidation state explains electronegativity difference between two atoms in a molecule. Clear na students? But if you want to understand oxidation state in a very smooth manner, you need to focus on some basic key points. So now I am going to teach you basic key points. So keep watching and learning. Just look at the board. This is the simple definition. It is called oxidation state. What oxidation state explains? It explains electronegativity difference between two atoms in a molecule. It explains electronegativity difference between two atoms in a molecule. So what are the key points? We have to focus on key points. There are certain key points. First one, oxidation state of atoms of all elements is equal to 0. Oxidation state of atoms of all elements is 0. So what is the meaning of this point? OS is nothing but oxidation state. OS is nothing but oxidation state. Oxidation state of atoms of all elements is 0. Suppose in examination, if you get a question like this, what is the oxidation state of sodium? Their answer is 0. What is the oxidation state of magnesium? Then answer is 0. Clear na students? That is the meaning of first point. So examples, Na 0, magnesium 0, Cl 0, like that. Next, second point. For monoatomic ions, oxidation state equal to its charge. Oxidation state equal to its charge. So what is the meaning of second point, dear students? Suppose if you get a question like this, Na plus oxidation state, Mg plus oxidation state, O minus 2 oxidation state, F minus oxidation state, N minus 3 oxidation state. The answer becomes very simple. Why? Because what is the statement, what is the key point? For monoatomic ions, oxidation state equal to its charge. So sodium, what is the charge here? Plus, that is nothing but sodium having plus 1 oxidation state. So what about magnesium? Plus 2 oxidation state. What about oxygen? Minus 2, here minus 1, here minus 1. Very simple. Very, very simple. Clear na students? Just look at the board. These 2 points are very much important. Okay students, next a very important point, oxidation state, sometimes you will get a positive charge, sometimes you will get a negative charge, sometimes 0, sometimes fractional. So ultimately what I want to say is, oxidation state may be positive or negative or 0 or fractional. Clear na? So based on situation, oxidation state is changed. Clear students? So next key point. Generally hydrogen gets plus 1 oxidation state, except metal hydrides. So generally oxidation state of hydrogen is plus 1, whereas metal hydrides, oxidation state of hydrogen is minus 1. This is also important point. Next very much important point, generally oxygen gets minus 2 oxidation state, but whereas in peroxides, oxidation state is minus 1. This is also one of the important key point. Generally oxygen gets minus 2 oxidation state, but in peroxides the value is minus 1. All All these points are very much important. You need to keep it. Next, very important point, oxidation state of fluorine. So fluorine always shows -1 oxidation state only. Why? Because in our periodic table, the most electronegative element is fluorine. So what is oxidation state? It explains electronegativity difference between two atoms in a molecule. So ultimately what I want to say is fluorine is most electronegative. That indication always it gets negative only. That is also -1 oxidation state only. Clear now students? Okay students. So these are the important key points. Just have a small look. Next we will focus on examples. Okay students, let's discuss some important examples. First I am going with CH4. What is the oxidation state of carbon atom in CH4? So here you need to find answer for carbon. So carbon, let us take X plus how many hydrogens? 4 hydrogens. You need to take one bracket here. Next, what is the valency of hydrogen? How can you find valency? Very simple. Hydrogen belongs to first A group. First A group is nothing but valency 1. So you need to take value 1 here. Next important point. What oxidation state explains? Oxidation state explains electronegativity difference. So it is a molecule. This molecule is made up of carbon and hydrogen. So compared to carbon, hydrogen is less electronegative. Less is nothing but positive charge. You need to take positive here. So equal to 0. Then x plus 4 equal to 0. Then x equal to -4. So what is the oxidation number of carbon here? -4. And one more important point, in our chemistry, the lowest oxidation state, -4. Carbon gets that value. This is also very much important. Just keep in our mind. Next, second one, NH3. What is the central atom here? Nitrogen. Suppose in examination if you get what is the oxidation state of nitrogen in NH3, then how can you find out? Nitrogen, let us take X plus 3 into hydrogen valency 1. Compared to nitrogen, hydrogen is less electronegative. Less electronegative is nothing but you need to take positive. More electronegative is nothing but you need to take negative. This is the simple logic, as simple as that. Here positive. Just a minute. Yeah, equal to 0. So x plus 3 equal to 0, then x equal to -3. Clear now students? Similar procedure. Next, one more example, H2O. You need to write like this also, no problem, OH2. So here central atom is oxygen. So what is the oxygen oxidation state? Same procedure. Oxygen, let us take X plus 2 into hydrogen valency 1. What is the value here? Positive. Equal to 0. Then x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to -2. Clear now students? You need to understand one important point. Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. All these are non-metals. Hydrogen with non-metals. Hydrogen value +1. Hydrogen with metals. Hydrogen value -1. This is fixed point. Fixaha fixasa fixobhya. Clear na? So whenever hydrogen with non-metal, then hydrogen gets positive charge. Whenever hydrogen with metal, then hydrogen gets negative charge. Clear na students? For better understanding purpose, I am going with a different example, that is NaH. So what is the oxidation state of hydrogen here? So what is the oxidation state of hydrogen here? Dear students, we do one thing. First, before that, we need to find sodium oxidation number. Clear now? Okay, just a moment please. NaH. So what is the oxidation rate of sodium here? Sodium, let us take X. Here the point is important. So here how many hydrogens? Only one hydrogen. So what is the value of hydrogen? Everybody knows valency is 1. But my question is -1 or +1? Tell me. You tell me. Correct. -1. Why? Because hydrogen with sodium. Sodium is nothing but a metal. So with metal, negative charge. Fixed point. Then x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to +1. Clear na? Then how to find hydrogen? Reverse process. Hydrogen, let us take X. Sodium, let us take +1. Then x equal to -1. Dear students, in this scenario, sodium oxidation state is +1 and hydrogen oxidation state is -1. Some more examples. MgH2. What is the oxidation state of magnesium? Same procedure. Magnesium is nothing but X plus 2 into hydrogen value +1. Then X plus 2. Sorry, dear students, hydrogen +1 or -1? -1. Why? Because magnesium also metal. Clear na? So plus into minus, minus. Then X minus 2 equal to 0, X equal to +2. Clear na? Do you want one more example? Okay. Next. AlH3. Similar process.
MgH2 నుంచి మళ్ళీ రబ్ చేసి అందులో కట్ చేద్దాం కానీ మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి రబ్ చేశారు కాబట్టి
అవసరం చేయరాదు.
మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి కట్ చేద్దాం సిక్స్త్ కూడా చెప్పాను మొత్తం.
Okay students, next example, similar example, MgH2. So you need to find magnesium oxidation state. Magnesium, let us take X. So plus 2 into, what is the value of hydrogen here? +1 or -1? Yes, -1. Why? Because magnesium is nothing but metal. With metal, hydrogen gets negative. Non-metal, positive. Okay, anyhow, the answer is X minus 2 equal to 0, X equal to +2. Clear na students? Next, one more example, AlH3. Similar process. Aluminum, let us take X. So how many hydrogens? 3 hydrogens. Hydrogen gets -1 or +1? Yes, -1. Why? Because aluminum also metal. The answer is X minus 3 equal to 0, X equal to +3. Clear na students? Just look at the board.